Hi, it's Alex from DCBots. Now you will see how to extract leads from JustDial using our solutions. How does it work? As input data, you set the JustDial item listing link. Then just launch data extraction process in DCBots software. Finally, you receive a phone number and other essential data on the companies listed. We can also customize our solution to scrape more data if you need. You can get the result data in Excel format, database, or export it directly to your website. If you have any special requirements, we can discuss customization as well. You get the following benefits using our solution for JustDial lead extraction. Firstly, regular updates, especially essential for JustDial, because this website can change the HTML code structure or even the data delivery mechanism periodically. As our customer, you get these updates for free. Secondly, fast tech support. You can send us any request to see it is really fast. Next, our solution implies the possibility of customization. That is a refinement for your specific tasks under your business processes. But this is not all. As our customer, you get access to another applications from DCBots, among which there are Yellow Pages Extractor, Manta Scraper, and Business Directory Extractor. So what are your next steps? Just follow the link below this video. Then test our solution. In case any questions arise, contact us in any convenient way and we will get in touch within 24 hours. If this information was useful for you, please like this video. And if you want to be notified of our solution updates, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your attention. See you!